Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Okay, in this video we're going to put under the microscope the Wolverine butterfly. Okay, this is its wing, and I have its whole body in a card box. Okay, under the camera that I'm showing. So this is the butterfly's wing. Okay, that's it fell from me. Okay, trying to not to touch it because and use a clip. Okay, forceps. So this is it. We're gonna put it underneath the microscope, and I have its whole body. Okay, you're gonna see it. I've made the same video almost like in Arabic. Okay, and we're gonna use not those huge serious telescopes. We're gonna use this cheap telescope, microscope. Sorry, I have a telescope, so my tongue is used to use the word telescope. So I'm gonna use this $10 microscope, but it has the magnification power of 1600 times. Okay, so here's my finger. Okay, almost, yeah, this is my finger. So just to prove it to you that it is a microscope. So it's for $10. You can get it from AliExpress. Okay, so this is the Wolverine under the microscope, Wolverine butterfly. Let me show you how I'm recording. So this is OBS and me with a laptop, and I have the other camera is my mobile's camera using IP Webcam Pro. I'm streaming the camera, and as you see, this is as I move, it moves. So this is the Wolverine butterfly. This is on its body. Okay, let me give you a chance to see it. So this is the body of the Wolverine. Okay, here. This is the Wolverine and its wing. Okay, and it has been decapitated, by mistake. Okay, so this is the Wolverine butterfly, and as you can see, it has its feathers are mostly hair. Okay, or maybe like some kind of those birds that you see. Okay, the everyday morning birds. Okay. So this is the whole butterfly. Okay, I'm not gonna show you the head. It freaks me out anyway. Okay, so you can see it has its own petite feathers. There are feathers, but they are very petite. Okay, how subhanallah, as they say. Okay, in Arabic, how glorious is God. So yeah, this side here, see, I'm gonna show you the forceps. This is the forceps from this Swiss Army knife. So this side here, sure. So this side from here, where you can see the forceps, is the card box, and this side here, the other side, is what I'll show you now, is the butterfly. Okay. And this is also from its body. The same is about its wing, like the one that I show you, because it's part of it. Okay, so let's now move to the wing, and as I told you, this side here is so. Let me remove the wing. Okay, so if I remove the wing, you'll see the card box composition. Okay, now this is when I put the I'm trying to let you know and differentiate. Okay, so this is the Wolverine's wing. Okay, so it's a Wolverine butterfly, and this is how it looks like under the microscope. Okay, let's see if we can zoom more. No, you can't. maybe I have to lift the, in order to focus it. No. Maybe I have to see whether we have to remove the microscope and just set it on it right on. Okay, just switch a little bit the focus. Yeah, so this is it. I have to make it nearer, very near. Okay, like this, and maybe put the microscope. Oh no, let's see. I need a way in order to fit the microscope higher than this. Okay. Something using something like a level elevator. I don't know. Let me see if I can increase the brightness of the lamp, LED lamp. No, I have to increase it much higher. Yes, so it can suck more light. And here it is. See, it has its own feathers, as I told you. Okay, this is it. This is on almost 1600 times. Okay, so Wolverine butterfly has its own feathers from its own style of feathers. Okay, it's its kind of feathers. So yeah, okay, little petite feathers which are helping the butterfly to fly, of course. Okay, like many birds, but the birds have, or a bird has, like big feathers. Okay. Yeah, so so that's it. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the only creature that I have in my hands for now. Okay, don't know whether I'm gonna post newer videos, okay, about petite stuff, okay, or minuscule stuff, okay, or things or animals or whatever. Okay, yeah, bye. Please subscribe and like my channel and share this video. Okay, that's all.